Hi there, my name's Nadernejad, and I help you create an online presence that's more like you. If you have negative mugshots in Google, a negative link, or anything you want to remove, I'm here to help you. I have over 8 years in the SEO industry and 5 years running this digital agency. You're in our corporate headquarters, and we're a public relations firm specializing in online reputation management. I have a Bachelor of Journalism honors, so I specialize in journalism myself. So I'm here to help you create a better online presence. And you have mugshots online. You want to remove them. You're wondering how. First of all, biggest thing is psychological. It's scary. It feels bad. I mean, you open the internet, you type your name in, and you see a mugshot there. It's not who you are. You're not a bad person, and I understand. And I get it. People Google you, they don't get it. They don't know who you are, and I know who you are. I know you're a great person. If you're looking this video up right now, you're doing it because you know that you're a good person. That's not representative of who you are. So here's what you do. I've created videos on this before, but I want to speak to you face to face about how you can do it. First thing, wrap your head around it psychologically. It's a patience game to remove these things. It's a patience game to suppress them. So you want to think about how amazing you are. What are some things you can showcase in the face of this negative media? And you want to create an online presence, a robust brand that showcases who you are. We live in a digital age. Human resources, people are going to be Googling you when they hire you for a job. Your dates will be Googling you. So it's okay. You have to get okay with having an online presence, because if you have mugshots out there, I'm sorry, but you already have one. So it's not about whether you're going to create an online presence or not. It's that you already have one. And the best thing we can do is to make it better. So first thing I want you to do is open a personal website. The reason for that is you get to control the narrative, and Google functions in a way where if you put your name in the website, eventually it will rank. Keep publishing content on it. You know, if I'm Nader, I open Nader.com, Nadernejad.com. There we go. That's going to rank for my name. If you open a website in your own name, that's going to rank for your name too. So you should open that website. You should create that blog post, and you should take that first step into creating online presence that's more like you. After the website, create social media platforms. You don't have to do everything, but the main ones I definitely suggest you do are Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and YouTube. If you can create those, you may be thinking, how do I create content? Well, just make sure those networks are named after you, because what they're going to do is they're going to rank very high. They have very high domain authority. So you're going to create those networks. You're going to start publishing content under your name on those networks. So Twitter needs to be your first and last name. Facebook, your first and last name. Create a fan page. Create a public Facebook page. And if you don't know how to do that, there are tutorials on YouTube and all over. But you're going to start with a website. You're going to start with 4 social networks, and you're going to keep them updated. That's 5 assets that within 3 to 6, if you do it slowly, in 9 months, those are going to rank on that first page and begin to push down some of the negative content. So while it may still be there, it's not the only thing people know you for, and you can use it as a comeback story. Now, we want to do better. We want to get it off the first page. So what do we do, and how do we do it? Well, we're going to continue creating media. In fact, we're going to continue publishing blogs that have our name in the title. We're going to start writing articles about ourselves in third person, so we can say, Nadernejad is an online reputation expert. He has over 5 years experience in the reputation management industry and 8 years experience in SEO. Nadernejad says it's a fundamental right for people to be able to control their online presence. Here's what we asked Nader. Or here are 5 tips that Nader has to control your online presence. I write the whole article. I have writers who write these things for myself and my clients, but you can write this for yourself. Then you're going to head on over to Fiverr.com, or you're going to go to Freelancer.com, or you're going to hit up a blog that you like. And what you're going to do is you're going to ask them, hey, publish this on your blog, include my name, John White, I don't know, construction expert. We're going to put it on the site. And once you pay them, I don't know, $20, $30, $100, $150, it's going to cost you something. But once they post it on their site, it's going to rank as well. Now, if you have really negative links on MSNBC, on Fox, you're going to need more powerful blogs to be able to rank above that content. But there's always a way. There is always the next step, and there's always someone you can reach out to. So, is it possible to repair your online presence, to bury mugshots? It's one of the easiest things you can do. I've worked with people who have had national headlines published, and we've helped bury it beyond the 3rd, 4th, 5th page. So, if you are looking to improve your online presence just by burying mugshots, you are in one of the best categories ever, and you don't need to panic, and you need to know that I'm here to help you. I trust in you, you trust in you, your family, your friends trust in you. You need to keep going, and I think you can do it.